The PhaZe 2 laundry detergent is a very important part of eliminating that human odor when you're out there hunting. This concentrated formula is put in the wash cycle, and it charges every single layer of clothing that you have. No matter what the technology is in the clothes, the Z technology will charge that clothing, every layer, and will start to encapsulate that human odor molecule. Let's take a look at how some of our Deer Society contributors use PhaZe in their hunting scenario and in their everyday life.
One of the things that doesn't get talked about very much is the impact that you're having on a farm year-round, not just during your actual hunt, but what's happening when you're hanging cameras, what's happening when you're putting in food plots or checking on stands or doing this or that. It's an area of intrusion that whitetail bucks certainly understand, and they react to it. They don't like it. When you're talking 5, 6, 7, 8-year-old bucks, they will not tolerate human intrusion, and they just end up leaving and going onto a neighbor's property. And so because of that, you want to try and understand every impact that you're having on a property and use your PhaZe tools to help you with that, help eliminate the amount of impact that you're having. So one of the most important elements when we're hunting whitetails is human odor. If deer pick up human odor in any situation, they absolutely freak out. They're going to bail immediately. They're done with that situation, whatever they thought was going on. And so that's what PhaZe does so well, is encapsulate human odor and completely eliminate it where those deer cannot pick up any human scent in a situation. And that allows you to do things like call deer and get into close into bedding areas, which is super, super important. So this is a perfect example of what we were just talking about with PhaZe. Keegan and Taryn are hunting together. They're gonna rattle and see if they can call a buck in. And a few does came in the lead, and they're a little suspicious, and they're trying to figure out what's going on. And then behind them, all of a sudden, we've got a mature buck, a mature white-tailed deer, 5 years or older. This buck knows all the tricks. If anything is out of place in this situation, he's gonna know it immediately. And you can see he moves in and stops right exactly downwind of him. He stops and he's trying to pick up, is there anything, this is where the rattling came from, is there anything here I can identify as being human? And he pauses and smells, and he's got his nose in the air for a long time, trying to figure out, is there anybody here? What's going on? Where are these deer I heard? What's happening here? And you can see him just trying to figure that out. This is a mature whitetail buck, and they passed inspection. Taryn and Keegan are on pins and needles in their stand, just waiting it out. And that deer finally, the buck relaxes and moves off and ends up moving off onto their left side. They end up passing him, but still an amazing encounter to document how well PhaZe can work on a mature whitetail buck.
Are you ready to experience the next level of scent control? PhaZe utilizes a revolutionary Z technology formula to render human odor undetectable to an animal's nose. PhaZe 1 Body Wash cleanses and conditions your skin while sealing your body with odor-neutralizing Z technology. PhaZe 1 Shampoo and Conditioner is a certified salon-quality formula designed to penetrate your cuticles, condition your scalp, and moisturize your hair. PhaZe 1 Body Lotion is a full-body application designed to penetrate, condition, and heal your skin to eliminate dander. PhaZe 2 Laundry Detergent infuses any of your outdoor garments with Z technology, adding a key layer of human odor control. PhaZe 3 Field Foam is your last line of defense. Apply directly to your skin to capture odor molecules caused from perspiration that may occur during transit. Phase out and tag out this season. Order now at illusionsystems.com.